Hello and welcome to this video tutorial which shows you how to create a booking manually in 2 ways on app.zeevou.com. After logging into app.zeevou.com, you can click on the plus button on the top right. Then, a search bar opens in which you can insert your data and click the search icon. Or search based on city, property, unit type, unit, or even rate plan. You can also drag on your desired dates on the booking calendar. After dragging and clicking on Create a Booking, you will enter the second step of the wizard of booking since the accommodation type has already been selected. You can select the location by searching your desired country, city, region, property, and unit type, or just start typing the name of the property or unit. Then, select the dates. Insert the number of guests and click on the search button. Generally, there are 3 steps for creating a booking. For the accommodation type, you can view all the related unit types. Each card represents one unit type, and when you hover it, it shows its name, the type of unit, and the marketing property name. You can click on the card circle to select your unit location by searching your desired country, select your available units, region, in the selected property, unit type, and unit type, or just you can start also typing the name of the property or unit to have a better view of all units. After selecting the suitable unit, click on Next. In this step, you should select the person booking by searching from the existing profiles or create a guest profile. When you click on Create a new guest profile, a window pops up in which you should fill at least one field and then save and close. Note that you can edit the guest profile later by clicking on Edit the guest profile. Then insert the channel by clicking on the arrow and selecting from the list. Note that the booking channel no and internal note are optional to fill out. Finally, click on Next to proceed to the last step. Here, you can view and edit the general invoice. For bookings, you can click on Price Down to view and edit the details of rate plans. Then, the rate plan gets modified. You can also insert the guest's arrival and departure time. Finally, click on Complete at the bottom right. And you can see that your booking is successfully created, and you can click on Go to Booking page to view my booking. Click here to watch more tutorials and